guys, I just wanted to get on here real quick and show you the amortization calculator. So this is pulled up through bankrate.com. You can see I'm entering the loan amount. The loan term will leave. Interest rate will say 5.75. That's kind of what rates are at right now. So you can see a 30-year traditional loan, how much interest you're going to pay over the life of the loan, your monthly payment, how to calculate that. Keep in mind, this is principal and interest only. Okay, so again, the total interest, $385,302. That's the exact interest that we pay over the life of the loan here. So if we wanted to make some extra payments, we'll say we want to get the loan paid off in 20 years. Okay, so 425 would be what we would need to be putting extra every single month on that payment. What that does is that brings your total interest down, $237,630. So you are saving about $147,000. Okay, you get the home paid off in 2045 there. So that is cutting it down to a 20-year. But here, 175, we're gonna plug that in. This actually gets it paid off in 25 years. You see 2050 there. And then you can again kind of see what the interest is. Sorry about that. But yeah, and with that scenario, you save $80,384. So here's another one, $200,000. So we'll say interest rate, if you're already in a loan from 2021 or something, and this is, you can backdate it here too. So you see the loan amount, loan term, interest rate, but we gotta go in and change this to 2021 because obviously rates aren't like that right now, and we kind of want to just see where we're at in the loan here. All right, sorry about my computer, it's just taking forever. But yeah, with this scenario, you can use to see exactly if you were, if it's worth a refi for you, where your loan's going to be at in the next few years, what have you been paying, just making sure you're on track. And if you're not, you can definitely adjust and pay extra going forward too as well. It's totally up to you, whatever works best. Alright, so you see total interest paid. So you can play around with these figures here. It's really helpful sometimes if you just kind of want to do some quick calculations with amortization. So we'll say we'll put on 200 extra. We've been putting 200 extra on the mortgage since the inception date there. Okay, so 2043 would be the new date. Yeah, that's all. Thanks.